Slide the water gun to put out this terrible fire. Slide the joystick to extinguish the fire on the other side. Have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to call the fire department if there is a fire. The fire brigade will come to the rescue immediately. Danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, firefighter. Firefighting is complete. Let's fill the fire truck with water. Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Drag the hose to connect. Turn the hose to tighten it. Let's connect the pipes together. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose. Emergency call for help. What shall we do? Firefighter Kiki, the baby foxes climbed up the tree for fun and now they can't get down. Please come and save them. The ladder can be raised for rescue. Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go. The baby foxes are on this tree. Save them quickly. Miss Maymay, don't be afraid. Firefighter Kiki will act immediately. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. We have to save 5 baby foxes. Let's look for them again. Slide the joystick and go to the bushes above for rescue. pieces were successfully found. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, it's dangerous to climb up